Hey future coders and inventors. Today, we're going on a fun adventure to explore the menu system of your very own Schogini Toys electronics and coding DIY kit. Power up. After popping in the 3AA batteries, slide the switch to the on position. Say hello to L100. Wait a moment, and you'll see L100 pop up on the screen. If you see something else, no worries. Just wiggle the joystick to the left once or twice to get back to the main menu. Then, move it up or down until you see L100. Menu magic. From the main menu, you can use the joystick to scroll down through L200, L300, and back to L100. It's like a merry-go-round of menus. Need help? Just ask. If you move the joystick to the right, a super helpful menu will pop up to explain what each menu does. And guess what? If you wait for more than 10 seconds on any menu, this helpful tip will show up all by itself. Just try this on each of the top menu items. Let's dive in. To enter menu, press down on the joystick like it's a button. For example, pressing down when you're on L100 will show you all the cool stuff you can do there. Oops, want to go back? If you ever want to go back to the main menu, just press the joystick to the left. It's like your magic undo button. And that's it, friends. Now you're menu masters, ready to explore all the amazing things your Schogini Toys DIY kit can do. For more awesome coding and electronics fun, visit Schogini Toys website.